Use the cutting torch. Light the torch. Open the acetylene valve again, allowing the oxygen remaining in the mixing chamber to purge for a few seconds. Then shut the valve until you can barely hear gas escaping. Hold the striker in front of the torch tip with the tip facing inside the striker. Squeeze the handle. A small yellow flame should appear at the tip when the sparks from the striker ignite the acetylene. Adjust the acetylene valve until you have a yellow flame about 10 inches long. Make sure the flame begins at the torch tip. If too much acetylene is applied, the flame will jump or be blown away from the tip. Turn the forward oxygen valve on slowly. The flame color will turn from yellow to light blue as sufficient oxygen is supplied to complete the combust the acetylene. Increase the oxygen until the blue flame begins to shrink back toward the tip. Open the oxygen valve more to increase the flame size until the length of the inner flame is just over the thickness of the steel you are intending to cut. Bring the tip to the inner flame to the surface of the steel you are going to cut. You will need to heat the surface with the flame until a molten pool of metal forms and luminescent at this location. Keep the tip of the flame steady about 3/8 inch from the metal surface to concentrate the heat in one location. Push the cutting valve handle down slowly to release the oxygen jet, which ignites the molten steel. If a violent reaction instantly starts, the steel has ignited and you are gradually increasing the pressure until the jet is cutting completely through the metal. Begin moving the torch tip slowly along the line of your cut. When the jet is cutting through the steel, you should observe that almost all the sparks and molten slag are being blown out the back or bottom of your cut.